Hi, I'm Tim Broom, co-founder and CEO of ITProTV. Prior to getting in IT, I had an 8-year career in transportation. Basically, it's the trucking business. I would walk the dock as a supervisor, and really, it wasn't something that I wanted to do for the rest of my life. Fortunately, I had the support of my wife, who said, you know, you always tend to enjoy computers and technology. Why don't you look at doing something with that? Had the opportunity to get my MCSE certification, NT4, so I quit my job in transportation and just dove all in as a career changer to get into IT. But maybe I didn't want to necessarily be a technician, so we opened up a training center right here in Gainesville, Florida. We had a vision of what we wanted. We knew that we wanted to create value and reduce the barriers for people to have the opportunity to learn more about IT and to stay up to date. We believe that you don't have to have $20, $30, $40, $50,000 worth of debt and spend 2, 3, 4 years of your time trying to learn. That learning at your own pace when it's convenient for you and watching content that is full and complete, but yet entertaining and engaging so I enjoy to watch it, that I will watch it more and then I'll learn more. And that's really what we created when we started ITProTV. And so that's how I got started on my IT journey.
Are you ready to start your IT journey? Then head over to itpro.tv/personal to take the first step with a 7-day free trial. And be sure to subscribe to the ITProTV channel to see more origin stories from the ITProTV team.